Did you know that you can buy crypto on the Binance P2P platform and almost immediately sell it for a profit? Yes, this is possible, and a lot of people make thousands of dollars every day simply by buying and selling on Binance P2P. Today I'm going to be explaining the Binance P2P platform and also show you how you can make money every day on it. Hello everybody, my name is Kyle and I run the Whiz channel where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. To understand how to make money on P2P Binance, you must first understand the service's mechanics. Peer-to-peer or P2P stands for from equal to equal, because the buyer and seller of an asset are equal in terms of circumstances. No one has priority and no third party supervises the transaction. These markets are also known as peer-to-peer markets. This is the fundamental difference between P2P and an exchange as a way of trading. In the case of an exchange, you do not have control over the transaction and have no idea who you are selling or purchasing the asset from. Transactions are made between specific persons in a peer-to-peer service, which enables unrivaled transparency. Binance P2P is something referred to as an exchange service. This description is only partially correct because you can trade one cryptocurrency for another and include fiat currencies in the transaction. The speed of trade and liquidity are both lower here than on the stock exchange. However, this is an advantage for inexperienced traders. Through P2P services, you can acquire them in the same manner you would on an exchange and then sell them for a higher price. Binance P2P is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading platform that offers crypto fiat trading with crypto trading. It's one of the few services that charge no commissions for trading. This is how it works. Anyone from all around the world can sign up for this marketplace and post ads to buy or sell cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Once you've signed up with Binance and verified your account, you can look through the ads on the P2P platform and choose one that suits your needs, and accept it by completing a transaction. Or you can also make your own ad and wait for a response. The majority of the obstacles associated with trading on the exchange are eliminated by this simple transaction procedure. Quotes and news aren't necessary to keep track of. It is similar to a scenario where you discover a post on Twitter or Facebook that someone wants to buy Bitcoin for a bargain price, and you snatch it up. However, Twitter is not a marketplace, and it lacks the necessary features, and there are no assurances. Binance P2P has all the assurance you need for a free and fair transaction. How can you start using Binance P2P? The first step to take is registration. Go to the Binance cryptocurrency exchange's main website or download the app on your phone. In most cases, your location is detected automatically and the site is translated into your country's language. If this does not happen, go to the upper right corner of the screen and select the localization option. Select registration from the drop-down menu. Confirm the location you're in and choose whether you want to create a personal or organizational account. Then there are two steps to registration. Step 1. Fill in your email address and a password. The email address you submit will receive a confirmation code. Step 2 is where you'll provide your cell phone number. The confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. You will be routed to the personal account of the crypto exchange user after entering this code. It is often required to pass a simple anti-bot check as well. Depending on your location, you may only need to complete one step of the registration process: email or phone confirmation. The next step is verification. Make sure to confirm your region again in the verification menu. Then select the type of verification that is most appropriate for you. Select Get Started from the drop-down menu. You must include your first and last names, as well as your patronymic name and date of birth. Fill in your city, residential address, postal code, and phone number in the next field. After this, the system will request a scan of your passport, driver's license, or another acceptable form of identification to prove your identity. Next, the system will ask you to confirm your identification by uploading a scan of your passport or driver's license. The file requirement will be displayed on the window, so follow it in order for your document to be accepted. You must wait for verification after sending the scans. It could take up to 10 working days. After you have been verified, you will have full access to the services of the Binance Exchange platform. After registration and verification, the next step is to buy crypto. Select P2P trading by hovering your cursor over the Buy Cryptocurrency button on the top menu. To buy cryptocurrencies, go to the Extra menu and pick Buy to get a complete list of seller orders. Choose the one that best meets your needs, then click Buy and follow the on-screen instructions. You must have enough money to pay, and the appropriate amount will be reserved automatically. It's possible that you'll have to wait a while for the seller to confirm the transaction. After the seller has confirmed the transaction, he will release the crypto to you. You can also send any crypto you have in a different wallet to your Binance wallet. Now, this is how you make money in the P2P market. Assume you saw an ad for $1,800 for 1 ETH from a particular user, and you click on the ad and pay the money. You will receive 1 ETH. After a while, you come across another ad in another where a user is offering $1,950 for 1 ETH. Then you accept this offer, and you automatically made a $150 profit. This is a common scenario, and this is how you can profit from peer-to-peer services. Another way to do this is to create a sell or buy ad by yourself and wait for someone to click on it. To do this on the app, tap on Trade and then P2P at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Ads and then Post Ad. Next, select the type of ad you want to post. It can be a buy or sell ad. After that, choose the crypto you want to buy or sell. And choose what you want to pay for it if you're posting a buy ad or what you want to receive for if you're posting a sell ad. Next, set the total trading amount, order limit, and add up to 5 payment methods for your ad. Tap Next to continue. You can also put remarks if you wish. After all, you should turn your ad online and publish it. You'll get notified whenever someone clicks on your ad. The benefit of this method is that it eliminates the need for in-depth analysis in order to sell or purchase cryptocurrencies. While knowing how to read the market is important, it is also how you can predict when prices will naturally decrease or rise. Binance P2P is a great option for new traders, so if you're just getting started with cryptocurrencies, Binance P2P is a great place to start. As previously said, this form of trading does not require any specific knowledge or in-depth market analysis. It's simple to keep track of profitable orders. However, knowledge of economic situations in the world can help you predict prices as well as the behaviors of others. In addition to its vast user base, Binance's peer-to-peer trading technology offers free fees for takers and exceptional cheap fees for makers. Would you be trying Binance P2P trading? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. And that's it. This is the Wealth Whiz. We upload new money-making videos every week, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.